Hello, I'm Shivangi Lohmi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. Today, my topic is mens rea under IPC. Mens rea is the whole essence of crime. Without having an intention to act in a manner that it causes harm to person or property, then in front of law, it is not a crime. The presence of mens rea implies that the wrongdoer had the ability to choose between what is good and what is not. In Indian Penal Code, the significance of word mens rea can be traced in two ways. First, all the definitions of crime are carefully defined with focus on showing the evil intention for doing the act. Usage of words like intentionally, fraudulently, knowingly, voluntarily, etc. emphasizes the presence of doctrine of mens rea. Second, in Chapter 4, General Exceptions, which is based on that no action would lie but without guilty mind. Understanding the implications of mens rea. For the better understanding of the concept of mens rea, it is necessary to understand the meaning of certain words that are often used as synonyms for mens rea. Intention. It is the state of mind of the person doing the crime. It can be proved when the defendant can foresee virtually that the consequences of the action of the person is going to kill, cause grievous injury, or any other prohibited harm to them. Motive. Motive in criminal law is the cause that moves people to induce into a certain action. Motive is not a basic element of crime, but it is mostly looked into while investigation of a criminal case. Motive is the reason of any act, hence, even if motive was good, but the act was wrong, then criminal liability may arise. Knowledge. The word knowledge or knowingly is used in certain places in IPC to denote mens rea. It can be seen from two sides. Firstly, a person had knowledge and act in a wrongful manner, and secondly, they had knowledge about the bad consequences and chose not to act, hence resulting in a wrongful act. Negligence. It cannot be used as synonym for mens rea, but while looking for guilty intent in any criminal case, this aspect is also covered. Negligence is the lack of attention or due care that a reasonable or prudent person may have while performing any task. Voluntarily. This word is used in court to show that person doing an act had the knowledge of what they are doing and had full control of their actions. Voluntarily can be used to show intention as well. It is used only because it has more extended meaning than intentionally. Essential of mens rea. First, mens rea is constructed from a person's thought process, their motive and intention. Motive and intention are two separate ideas. Motive is the reason behind the act, whereas intention is a person's state of mind and willingness to break the law. Presence of both motive and intention facilitates the prosecution of a crime, but motive is not necessary element for conviction. Example, a person takes another person's bike with them in good faith, but it was taken without consent. This act will be considered as theft. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Please like, share and comment on my video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.